Ellie. I'm originally from Lincoln, Nebraska. I attend Bellevue University and I'm majoring in accounting. Living on campus has been one of the best experiences I've had in college. There's so many opportunities to get students involved. I met some great people my freshman year that I didn't know before, and you get more involved on campus. You go and eat lunch and dinner with them, attend basketball games, volleyball games, and just get involved with activities because you are on campus. My favorite thing about the apartments, probably the washer and dryer that's in the units. It's free, you don't have to walk anywhere, there's nobody changing your laundry unless it's your roommates, and I think that's been one of my favorite things about the apartments. In addition, you can walk to class, which is always nice. It is a very short walk, so you don't have to worry about that. So one of my favorite activities that happens every year is intramural basketball. This has been something that started my freshman year, and it's 3-on-3 basketball, and you play against other students. Everybody gets really into it, and there's a lot of students that attend, and that's been one of my favorite memories on campus. The people you meet, you won't forget, and it's just been a great experience living on campus.